Here's the latest on xtalks.com. Amazon seems to be stepping on a lot of toes in the food industry with their acquisition of Whole Foods last summer and their Amazon Fresh grocery delivery service. However, major retailers are not going to take this pressure laying down, which is why they have joined forces with one of the biggest technology companies in the world, Google. Hello, I'm Nima Rajan, editor and webinar moderator for xtalks.com, and welcome to this edition of Xtalks Vitals. Our featured webinar for this episode is How to Ensure GFSI and FSMA Audit Success in Food Manufacturing. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar. Google has launched a new advertising online grocery shopping and delivery program with over 50 major retailers, such as Walmart, Target, and Costco. This new program allows retailers to display their products on Google Search and through its smart voice-activated assistant. All retailers that are partnering with Google don't have to pay for the advertising. Instead, they have to give Google a cut of the purchases. Consumers can select products and collect them in Google's universal shopping cart that routes purchases with its express shopping delivery service. Although this new online grocery shopping service is unique when compared to traditional models such as Amazon's, it allows retailers to stay on par with Amazon's consumer reach. With over 3.5 billion searches every day, Google easily beats out Amazon's 2.5 billion searches in March 2018. However, these stats do not correspond to the number of purchases made using these two online shopping services. According to Market Realist, Americans who are searching for products online usually start their searches on Amazon instead of Google, which means that Amazon still has the upper hand in e-commerce purchases. However, Google might have introduced this service right on time, as Amazon has not yet become the grocery disruptor that everyone fears. Although the e-commerce retailer has evoked notable price cuts at Whole Foods locations for Prime members, Whole Foods still claims a small portion of American grocery sales. In addition, Amazon Fresh has been scaled back. As e-commerce pushes its way into the mainstream market, it looks like retailers have no other choice but to join the club in order to stay relevant. Since major grocers cannot reach as many consumers as Amazon can, Google seems to be their best bet against the e-commerce giants. Subscribe to the Xtalks YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below and visit xtalks.com for more information on this story and many others like it in the food industry. And don't forget to register for our featured webinar for this episode. How to ensure GFSI and FSMA audit success in food manufacturing. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar.